Okay, here's a piece of Boulder Opal. It's a bit of a gamble. Rules in millimetres. Material's been wetted. The white you're seeing there's light reflection. It's basically been blocked out of a larger piece of stone. As you can see, it's quite a larger piece. It's got this seam of colour running through here. Seems to peter out as it gets over here. But don't be fooled, it might go into better colour. Quite often this caramel potch indicates that you might get good colour in it. But like I say, it's been sold as a gamble. Maybe cut a bit more off there so you can see where the colour is, and then put a saw blade perhaps in here or on this side, and hope that it splits. But the other alternative is just saw this side down and go down to the colour. That way you're a bit more sure of what you might end up with as far as some sort of colour, whereas you split it, the opal can come off on both halves and you have colour missing out of the stone. Anyway, it is what it is, and it's I think reasonably cheap. Thanks for watching. Cheers.